Good morning student, welcome to Nilgiri Degree and PG College video classes. Last videos we discussed the first unit topics, the total completed first unit, and now the second unit. In the second unit the first topic is total differentiation, most important topic, that is the total differentiation. What is total differentiation? Here in that partial differentiation with respect to x and with respect to y. Here total differentiation means differentiate totally, that is if let u equals to x comma y represents a function of two variables x and y, then the total differentiation of u is expressed as, that is the partial differentiation or total differentiation. Just one comparison, just see this one. If u x comma y, if u x comma y is a total differentiation, then du equals to dou u by dou x into dx plus dou u by dou y into dy. Then the total differentiation of u expressed as a du equals to dou u by dou x into dx plus dou u by dou y into dy. This is the formula for total differentiation. In this total differentiation, where dx equals to increment function in delta x, delta x in x లో ఉంటుంది, అంటే increment function delta y in y లో ఉంటుంది. For example, this total differentiation is in with respect to x, y, z formation. That the difference is du equals to dou u by dou x into dx plus dou u by dou y into dy plus dou u by dou z into dz. It has to given three variables or three functions x and y. It has to given only two variables x, y, z, x, y only, but it has to given three variables. Then we have to written extra in this term dou u by dou z into dz. This is the extra term in terms of z variable. That has to given three variables. Here delta y is in y, which is known as the total differentiation. And the another two definitions are the derivatives of composite function, derivatives of implicit functions. So derivatives of complement functions is defined as if u equals to f of x comma by be a function where x equals to phi of t, y equals to psi of t, where x equals to phi of t and y equals to psi of t is called a composite function of two variables, and it is expressed as, it has to given two functions in terms of t, phi of t and psi of t. Okay, these functions and two variables, we have to define the derivatives of a composite function is, this is the formula of composite function. With respect to t, here with respect to function is, there is no function in the total differentiation, there is no with respect to function, so that's why we have to written du into dy into dx, but it has to given with respect to function phi of t and psi of t. So that's we have to written du by dt and dou x by dou t, dou y by dou t, du by dt. These are the terms. This is known as an these definitions is nothing but a formulas, derivatives. Total differentiation, this is the formula, and the composite function, this is the formula, and the implicit function, this is the most important formula, that is the implicit function. Dy by dx equals to, we have to written minus dou f by dou x divided by dou f by dou y. The partial differentiation with respect to x and partial differentiation with respect to y, and also the dy by dx, and also written as minus fx divided by fy. Here fx is the partial differentiation with respect to x, that is known as a dou f by dou x. Fy is nothing but a dou f by dou y. Just simplify here, just see this one, just see one. This is the important formula, implicit function again, and the derivatives of a composite function, and the total differentiation formulas. This is the important formulas. And then stationary point is, the stationary point is a point where all first orders of a partial differentiation of the function is and vanishes. This first order partial differentiation vanishes is known as a stationary point. Means in the first order partial differentiation is written as dou f by dou x. Vanishes means it is no an empty, it's vanished. that is known as a stationary point. This is the vanished is known as a stationary point. That is only definition. And then extreme points of and extreme values. First one is an extreme point. Extreme point is a stationary point. Extreme point. In this stationary point, this is the stationary point. In this stationary point is maximum or minimum. What is stationary point? This is the partial differentiation, and though by the x is vanished, some value is mentioned, that is known in this vanished point is maximum or minimum is known as an extreme point. What is a stationary point? This stationary point is the first order partial differentiations are vanishes. This first order partial differentiation vanished, which is a maximum or minimum, which are maximum or minimum. What is then the maximum aina minimum aina, then is known as, which is known as an extreme point. And then another definition is extreme value. Extreme value is the function of an extreme point. The above point is known as an extreme value. Extreme value is the value of function f of x comma y at the extreme point. The above value ne extreme point, extreme value man mention chestunna. These are the definitions. Total differentiation definition. This is the most important definition in the total differentiation. df by dx equals to, and this is the total differentiation formula. This is also total differentiation formula. Phi of t, psi of t, and stationary points, extreme points. These are the definitions in the total differentiation in the second unit. Now we go for the problems. Okay, one of the problem in total differentiation is if u equals to log of x plus y plus z, and x equals to cos t and y equals to sin square t, z equals to t square, then the evaluate du by dt. Then find out du by dt value find out cheyamantunno in terms of u equals to log x plus y plus z. Here x value is mentioned, y value and z value. Substituting the values of in terms of x, y, z. Substitute x, y, z in the equation 1. Then we get u equals to log of x is the cos t, y is the sin square t, z is t square. Substitute. Now differentiate with respect to t. Du by dt. So log u equals to cos t plus sin square t plus t square. Just we have to differentiate here, which is in the form of log x model. So log x model lo undi kaani akkada unnadi x kaadandi. In this place of x we have to given cos t plus sin square t plus t square. Now differentiation of log x is formula 1 by x. Okay, the differentiation of log x is then 1 by x. Here in this place of x, what is that? Cos t plus sin square t plus t square. Now we have to differentiate again the term. Why it is not an x, so we have to with respect to t. Now we have to differentiate the term. Now here log t differentiation 1 by log x differentiation 1 by x. Okay, 1 by, in this place of x is what? Cos t plus sin square t plus t square. Okay, again this x term you have to differentiate. Cos t differentiation minus sin t. Sin square is in the form of x square model. That is the x square differentiation 2x. x square model లోనే ఉంది, బట్ x స్క్వేర్ x కాదు కదండి, అక్కడ ఉంది sin t. మళ్ళీ అగైన్ x ను డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ చేయాలి. సో ఇన్ దిస్ ప్లేస్ x వాట్? sin స్క్వేర్ మోడల్లో ఉంది కాబట్టి sin స్క్వేర్ డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ ఈజ్ అన్ x స్క్వేర్ డిఫరెన్షియేషన్. Sin square differentiation is an x square. Then x square equals to 2x, and 2 into sin t. But here it which is not an x, which is an sin t. Sin t differentiation cos t. Observe one. And then t square differentiation 2t. This we have to substitute. Just only partial differentiation. Here x, y, z. And then another problem. Another more problem in total differentiation. What is then? Find dz by dt. Z equals to x into y, x plus y. Here x equals to 8 square and y equals to 280 is the given two conditions. Now given z equals to xy into x plus y. Now I have to substitute that values of x and y. Just to substitute z equals to x value is 80 square, substitute, and y value is 280 substitute. X plus y, x is the 80 square plus y is the 280. Then simplify here. 2a square t cube, at square 2at. Just multiply in the outside term. What is then 2a square t cube is multiply in inside 2a square t cube into 8 square is the 2a cube t power 5 here, and 2a square t cube 2at. It's a 4, 2 to the 4, 4a cube t power 4. Okay, now differentiate equation 1 with respect to t. Just differentiation with respect to t. Okay, just differentiation here 2a cube is the constant with respect to t power 5, with respect to t power 4. 4a cube 2a cube is the constant terms. Okay, dz by dt, and then t power 5 differentiation, x power 5 differentiation, 5 x power 4. Why it has the formula x power n model? This the x power n formula is n into x power n minus 1, n into x power n minus 1 is the formula. Here x power 5, 5 into x power 5 minus 1 is then 4, 5t power 4, 4t cube. Just simple. This is the dz by dt. Next, sin of x by y, and x equals to e power t, y equals to t square. Then evaluate du by dt. Then find out that value of du by dt. Okay, if u equals to sin of x by y, x equals to and y equals to mentioned. Okay, now substitute that values of x and y. X value e power t, y value t square. Then what is find out du by dt? We have to find out. Now differentiation with respect to t. Just differentiation on both sides. With respect to t differentiation, here what is then sin which is in the form of sin x model. That sin x model లో ఉంది, కానీ అక్కడ ఉన్నది sin x కాదు. సో sin x differentiation ఏంటి? cos x. ఓకే, అక్కడ x ప్లస్లో ఏముంది? e పవర్ t బై t స్క్వేర్ ఉంది. నవ్ e పవర్ t బై t స్క్వేర్ differentiation. సో e పవర్ t బై t స్క్వేర్ differentiation, what is that? So e పవర్ t by t square. So e power t by t square is in the form of u by v formula. So u by v differentiation enti? What is that u by v formula? V into u dash minus u into v dash divided by v square. U into v dash minus v into u dash by v square. Okay, just compare that one. This is the cos x. Okay, v into u dash and t square into ikkada t square into e power differentiation and v dash, v into u dash, u into v dash divided by v square. Okay, here observe that t square is the constant, alage unchina e power t differentiation, e power t square differentiation 2t. here రెండిట్లలో e power t కామన్ ఉన్నట్టు కామన్ తీసేసినాం. here e power t కామన్, ఇక్కడ t కూడా కామన్ తీసినాం. t power 4 ఉంది, t ఉంది, క్యాన్సిల్ అయితే t క్యూబ్ అయింది. చూసుకోండి ఒక్కసారి. partial differentiation or differentiation only, it has to differentiation only differentiation terms and ఇక్కడ ఉండే మనకి కొత్తగా ఏం చేయట్లేము మనము. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం చూడండి ఒకసారి. if z equals to log of u square plus v, if u equals to v equals to given two condition, then we have to find 2y dou z by dou x, 2y dou z by dou x minus dou z by dou y is find out that value. Okay, z equals to log of u square plus v. Just substitute that u value and v value. The substitute, and then first one important condition, z dou z by dou x. Okay, what is dou z by dou x? Formula of dou z by dou x is dou z by dou u into dou u by dou x, dou z by dou v into dou v by dou x is the formula of dou z by dou x. Why it has to use dou z by dou x? It has z with respect to x, but in this x terms are just u in terms of e power x plus y whole square and v of x plus y whole square. That's why we have to return that formula directly in the terms of total differentiation. So we have to using dou z by dou u, z we have to substitute. y with respect to u తో చేసినాం కాబట్టి u అలాగే ఉంచినాం. dou z by dou x term అంటే ఏంటి మనకి ఇక్కడ? x term ఏముందండి? e పవర్ x plus y whole square. dou u by dou x, dou z by dou v and dou v by dou x, dou z by dou u, Here we have to substitute. Dou u by dou x, u we have to substitute. Dou z by dou v, z we have to substitute. Dou v by dou x, we have to substitute. Formula గుర్తుంటేనే పాసిబుల్ అవుతుంది మనకి. Here which is in the form of, first observe that dou u by dou x log x model లా ఉంది, but which is not in log x. Here the definition of log x is in 1 by x. What is then 1 by x? Here x in this place 1 by u square plus v. Okay, but in this place x we have to again differentiate. That u square differentiation 2u, v differentiation 0. Why? It has with respect to u only. And then with respect to x which is then what, e power x model లోనే ఉంది, బట్ e power x కాదు. సో e power x differentiation e power x, బట్ x అనుకున్న టర్మ్ని అగైన్ డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ చేయాలి. సో వాట్ ఈజ్ హియర్ x? we have to considering x plus y square. ఓకే, డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ టు x తో చేస్తున్నాం. x differentiation 1, y square differentiation 0. ఓకే, y. And then with respect to v, just log which is in the form of log x model. Log x differentiation 1 by x. So 1 by x and 1 by u square plus v. Here with respect to v we have to differentiation. In the v with respect to v, log v differentiate. Again in this x term we have to differentiation. U square differentiation 0, v differentiation 1. And then with respect to x plus y whole square, just differentiation under addition. There is no formation. X differentiation 1, y square differentiation 0. Just 1. Just simplify. 2u by, just multiply 2u by u square plus v into e power x plus y square. Here u square plus v. The LCM is u square plus v. Equal 2u. This is the u e power x plus y square is the value of u. So just substitute 2u plus 1, u into u 2 square by u square plus v. This is the value of dou z by dou x. And again we have to find dou z by dou y value. Why? It has to find out that value of this one. So that's why we have to using this formula. Dou z by dou x find out చేసినాం, and then dou z by dou y. So dou z by dou y formula we have to written dou z by dou u into dou u by dou x. Here just చూసుకోండి ఒకసారి, అక్కడ చేస్తే మనకు అదే వస్తుందండి. dou z by dou y, dou z by dou y. ఓకేనా? ఓకే, ఫార్ములా గుర్తుండాలి. ఫస్ట్ dou z by dou u అంటే z we have to substitute. dou u by dou y, u we have to substitute. dou z by dou y, z we have to substitute. dou v by dou y, dou y we have to substitute. Just compare, which is in the form of u square plus v. log x మోడల్లో ఉంది. log x differentiation 1 by x, బట్ x కాదు, అక్కడ x ప్లేస్లో ఏముంది u square plus v. u square plus v differentiation చేస్తే 2u e power x plus y square. అలా e power which is in the form of e power x మోడల్లో ఉంది. e power x differentiation e power x, కానీ అక్కడ ఉన్నది మనకి x కాదండి. x ప్లేస్లో ఏముంది x plus y square. విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ టు y తో చేస్తున్నాం. x plus y square differentiation. x differentiation 0, y square differentiation 2y ఇక్కడ రాసినాం. 1 which is also log x మోడల్లో ఉంది. log x differentiation 1 by x. విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ టు u తో చేస్తున్నాం, v తో చేస్తున్నాం అంటే v తో చేసినప్పుడు v square 0, v వాల్యూ 1. హియర్ విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ టు y తో చేస్తున్నాం కాబట్టి x 0 అవుతుంది, y square differentiation 2y అవుతుంది. ఓకే, చూసుకోండి ఒకసారి. సింప్లిఫై చేస్తున్నాం. సింప్లిఫై చేసి నెక్స్ట్ స్టెప్లో రాద్దాం. 2u by u into u square plus v. ఇక్కడ 2y by u square plus v. 2yని కామన్ తీసినాం. 2u square plus 1 by u square plus v అయింది. దిస్ ఇస్ ద dou z by dou y వాల్యూ. మనకు ఆన్సర్ ఏం అడిగిందంటే 2y into dou z by dou x, dou z by dou y. dou z by dou x వాల్యూ రాసినాం, 2yని మల్టిప్లై చేసినాం. dou z by dou y వాల్యూ ఆల్రెడీ ఇక్కడ ఉందండి, మనకి సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసినాం. రెండు సేమ్ వాల్యూస్ క్యాన్సల్, విచ్ ఇస్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు 0. మరి ఎందుకు ఇక్కడ ఫార్ములా యూజ్ చేసారు, అక్కడ ఎందుకు డైరెక్ట్ అప్లై చేసారు అని అడగచ్చు క్వశ్చన్. మీరు ఫార్ములా అయినా యూజ్ చేయండి, డైరెక్ట్ అప్లై చేయండి. ఎలా చేసినా వస్తుందండి. ఫార్ములానే యూజ్ చేయాలని రూల్ ఏం లేదు, రెండు అప్లై చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఓకే, అండ్ దెన్ వన్ మోర్ ప్రాబ్లం is then z if h equals to f of y minus z, z minus x, x minus y is a given condition. Prove that this value is 0. Dou h by dou x plus dou h by dou y plus dou h by dou z equals to 0. We have to proving condition. Now we have to proving that one. If z given that h equals to, we have to substitute. Just we have to simplification. H equals to f of x y z. Just we have to in the simplify formation, z equals to f of x y z. Here x is the y minus z, y is the z minus x, z is the x minus y. Just simplify. X, y, z are the functions of x, y, z. Small capital X, y, z are the small x, y, z functions. Now h equals to composite function. This is the formula. Okay, dou h by dou x equals to dou h by dou capital X into dou x by dou x, dou y into dou y by dou x, which with respect to x తో చేస్తున్నప్పుడు ఒకసారి చూడండి, దిస్ ఇస్ ద హెక్స్, దిస్ ఇస్ ద వై, దిస్ ఇస్ ద జెడ్. ఫార్ములాస్ అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి ఒకసారి. x తో చేస్తే హియర్ ఎక్స్ టర్మ్ ఓన్లీ, హియర్ ఎక్స్ టర్మ్ ఓన్లీ, హియర్ ఎక్స్ టర్మ్ ఓన్లీ. y తో చేస్తున్నాం, హియర్ y టర్మ్, y టర్మ్, y టర్మ్. z తో చేస్తున్నాం, హియర్ y z టర్మ్, హియర్ z టర్మ్, హియర్ z టర్మ్. Just check it. And now dou x by dou x, capital X is the xyz functions with respect to x తో చేస్తున్నాం, స్మాల్ x తో చేస్తున్నాం. హియర్ క్యాపిటల్ x is the ఏంటి, y minus z, capital Y is the z minus x, and the capital Z is the x minus y. Capital X with respect to x, y minus z, y value 0, z value 0. y with has to respect to x తో చేస్తున్నాం అండి. x తో చేసినప్పుడు y 0, z 0. ఎందుకంటే xలో అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి ఒకసారి, ఇక్కడ దీన్ని x అనుకుంటున్నాం, దీన్ని y అనుకుంటున్నాం, దీన్ని z అనుకుంటున్నాం. x ఈక్వల్స్ టు, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ x ఈక్వల్స్ టు y మైనస్ z అండి. దీన్ని విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ టు x తో చేస్తున్నప్పుడు y వాల్యూ z వాల్యూ బోత్ ఆర్ జీరోసే కదా, x వాల్యూ లేదు కదా, అలా. ఓకే, ఈ వాల్యూ 0 అవుతుంది. అండ్ దెన్ వైని విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ టు x తో చేస్తున్నాం, వైని విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ టు x తో చేస్తే x వాల్యూ ఉంది కదా, -1. -1 ఎలా, z మైనస్ x ఉందండి, z వాల్యూ 0, x వాల్యూ 1, సో -1. z విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ టు x తో చేస్తున్నాం, దాంట్లో ఏముంది మనకి, x మైనస్ y ఉంది కాబట్టి x వాల్యూ 1, y వాల్యూ 0, 1 మైనస్ 0, 1 అయిపోయింది. సో ఏం మిగిలింది చూడండి ఒకసారి, రిజల్టెంట్ వాల్యూ, ఈ వాల్యూ 0 అయిపోయింది, ఈ వాల్యూ 1 మిగిలింది కాబట్టి మైనస్ dou h by dou y ప్లస్ dou h by dou z. ఓకే, సో అట్ ద సేమ్ టైం dou h by dou y కూడా చేసుకోండి ఒకసారి. సేమ్ అప్లికేషన్, ఇట్స్ వాల్యూ 1 మిగిలింది, ఇక్కడ 0 అయిపోయింది, ఇక్కడ -1 మిగిలిన వాల్యూస్. అప్లికేషన్ అంటే మనం ఈ 3 టర్మ్స్ని యాడ్ చేస్తున్నాం, ఎందుకంటే క్వశ్చన్ మనకి ఇదే అడిగింది, యాడ్ చేస్తే 0 రావాలి అని అంట. dou h by dou x వాల్యూ, dou h by dou y వాల్యూ, dou h by dou z వాల్యూస్. ఈ dou h by dou x, dou h by dou y, dou h by dou z. ఒకసారి చూడండి, ఇందులో మైనస్ dou h by dou y, ఇంకో ఇక్కడ ప్లస్ dou h by dou y ఉంది, ప్లస్ dou h by dou z ఉంది, ఇంకో ఇక్కడ మైనస్ dou h by dou z ఉంది, ఇక్కడ ప్లస్ dou h by dou x ఉంది, ఇక్కడ మైనస్ dou h by dou x ఉంది. ఆల్ వాల్యూస్ ఆర్ జీరోస్ అయితే. ఓకే, చూడండి ఒకసారి ప్రాబ్లమ్ని.